Now I'm just waiting for the JB Weld to cure. You see that? See that? It's broken. I broke another one. You see, I did the same thing to the original MOW-E. But there's a reason for this. That's how it goes when you got a push mower. You can be 50 feet away from it because it's remote control. So you just keep pushing the limits. You hit little stumps. You hit little shrubs. And before you know it, you're flipping your mower across the yard. Because it's really easy to be brave with a mower that you can be so far away from. So I'm going to see if we can rig it up somehow. Fix it up. See here. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. Calibrated eye, as my son says.
I only say that because you said it.
Well, it's because I'm a good father and I've taught you well. Gonna try and use some water weld because that's what I've got. You just have to knead it together like dough until it's all mixed up and it's like kind of crunchy because it's kind of old. God, it's getting all chunky. Why is it doing that?
Old.
Definitely did too much. I'm gonna run the bolt up further. Oh my God. Okay, bolt's up there. Away. Put the washer on it. Boop. Put the nut on it. I'm not even 100% sure I'll be able to tighten up the nut. Yeah, where'd that super hot wrench go? It's already starting to set up a little bit. If you want to become YouTube famous. Alright, that's squishing down in there pretty good. This might actually work.
I would think that should work. It's a whole lot of JB Weld.
It is. Now I'm just waiting for the JB Weld to cure. Subscribe to the channel to find out if this worked.